Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. I kind of paused there because, well, I paused. But this is just a little recap on this section here before we really get into the use trailing stop. This is how to use the TenKei Total Profit Target Part 6 revised. And being revised, it may be slightly different to what you saw before. We're trying to, well, we're just really recording to improve. We think we've improved the sound quality. We have new equipment, basically. Anyway, so we're going to be covering next the use of trailing stop, whereas that is optional, but it's a very good idea to use a trailing stop. And a question was asked, and this is why we're just dropping this one in. Somebody asked, well, yes, can you refuse to use the trailing stop? Yes, once again, this section here, the value section, is interactive where you can change all of these values to whatever you wish. We did state before that whereas we use the DAX quite often, more often than not, 99% of the time we'd say, or even 100% of the time, these settings here are good for the DAX. And what we'll be doing in future is we'll be covering what we do on our EA, the 7.0, TenKei 7.0 EA, which once again is set for the DAX, but you can set the EAs to whatever you wish. But using the TenKei Total Profit Target or the TenKei TPT can be used for any market. It's really quite versatile. So we shall move on. Short video here just to interject. We shall move on to number 7. Which is going to continue telling you about use trailing stop, which is, yes, true, that's a yes, and then you can set the trigger to whatever you wish. It doesn't have to be these numbers, and a trailing step or stop step to whatever you wish. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.